The Brigii M1 Handheld Vacuum. Hello everyone, welcome to Brigii Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a 3-in-1 handheld vacuum, the Brigii M1. I will go over specs, features, and then test the product out. I have included the link in the description below. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, a storage pouch, and various attachments. You get the flexible hose, blow nozzle, 2-in-1 nozzle, hose tool, and the hand pump attachment. The M1 features 3-in-1 vacuum, duster, and a pump. 6500 PA of suction with 25 minutes of runtime. 2000 milliamp hour battery, and it takes 2 to 3 hours to charge. A washable HEPA filter, multiple attachments, USB-C for charging, and weighs in at 480 grams. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of M-Content? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code Brigii Unboxed when setting up the app and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. The unit is easy to grip. It's slim and compact. The bottom has the branding, and it has a gray matte finish all around. In the middle, you have the LED status indicator along with the power button. The top, you have the dust cap lock and unlock, and it just flips open to empty. Accessing the filter is simple. Twist to the right to unlock, and you can remove the HEPA filter. To lock, just twist to the left, and you also have a USB-C charge port in the middle. The bottom has an airflow outlet, and it can be used as a blower port as well. The attachments are easy to install, and it just slips right in. The bottom is where you attach the blower nozzle. And here it is with the flexible hose. The M1 is a little over 2 inches in diameter and about 10 inches in length. And here is a decibel reading so you get an idea of how loud it is. And here it is vacuuming debris along with the blower attachment. I found the vacuum to have decent suction, and I like the blower feature as well. The overall design is portable and it's easy to grip. The various attachments make it versatile whether you are using it for small cleanups in the car or home. The price point is budget friendly as well. So that is my review of the Brigii M1 Handheld Vacuum. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brigii Unboxed. Take care everyone.